After watching this video, you'll never buy another candle in your lifetime. Like this, guys. Apparently there's a secret way. How so you don't buy more candles? Which is to use a used bottle cap like this only. This can later be used for life. And you guys without needing to buy candles anymore, guys. Just don't let neighbors y'all know this one creative-eyed. Because if usually we buy candles like this, the price is really cheap. But if you buy many times buy, this can make you wasteful. Mending the money, divert it in other utility items or you guys tube more. Very steady, friends. Okay, we don't have to buy candles like this. We turn it off first. So here we're gonna use a bottle cap. Make sure the bottle cap is using ingredients from the can, guys, yeah. We open it like this, yeah. For the bottle we don't use, we're just using. Cap the bottle like this, guys. The next step, just straight up, let's execute. Well, right away we take the lid part. On the inside of the cap, there is a plastic or rubber. Yes, friends. Yes, here we clean first. Well, for how to clean it is very easy. You can prepare scissors like this, guys. Then we pry only part of the rubber that is inside the lid, like this. Okay, guys, after it comes off like this, yeah. Well, this is part of the rubber. We just throw it away. It's clean. Very steady, friends. Like this for the result, yeah. The next step. Here we're gonna make a hole in the middle part of the bottle cap. Yeah, for how to make holes we can still use the edge of a sharp scissor like this. We just put in, then we spin around. Like this. Well, it's been hollow, yeah. If it's already hollow like this part of the hole is still too small. Just straight up we bridge it or we widen it. For how to widen them, we still use the scissors end. Then we put in slowly like this. Okay, steady, already hollow, yeah. Bouncing once. The next step, on the side here, yeah. On the side of this lid, we're gonna throw it away, yeah. We give a little hole again. For the way, the cutting we use scissors like this. Then we'll just cut. Okay, steady if it's like this for the results. So later there's a hole the bottom like this. And also in the middle or top, like this, guys. Next step here, you guys set up a cotton like this. If you don't have cotton, you can use a tissue can also. If you don't have a tissue, you can use a rather thick cloth like a towel, yes. Make a towel for after that bath, you guys can also. More practically, you can use cotton. Like this. We take just a little. If you have, don't forget, we twist the twist, friends. We roll around like this, yeah. If it's like this for the result, friends, just straight up part of the cotton that we've twisted, we just put into the hole we made earlier. For how to put it in from above like this, yeah, guys, yeah. We keep putting. Don't forget while playing. Easier, yeah. Okay, like this we leave. It's about 1.5 inches long. Well, for the bottom, we just put in to the bottom of the hole like this. Well, so like this for the result, yeah. Going to be in the shape of the letter L. Like this, bouncing once, friends. Well, after like this, the tools we made are almost, friends. This is staying 99%, yeah. Gompong already it. Just like this. Bouncing is very practical. Economical selling Gellis. You guys just prepare a small plate, yeah. Or limp usually made to drink the coffee. If you don't have, can use large plates can also. Later even more durable. Could be hours or even days. Yeah, just go ahead. Tools we make from bottle caps. We put it on top like this. Mom, please. Okay, we have. Poke it on it like this, yeah, guys, yeah. Well, if it's like this, the tools we made are 100% already friends. It's really very practical. Economics wargless, and can save you money without buying candles any more friends. Like this for the tool, and for the fuel. This is more special. You can use a used cooking oil like this. I use used cooking oil here. Look at this already. Tipper for frying ya. Like frying fish, frying temper, frying tofu, frying anchovies, even up from the pickles your friends. Just go straight to the cooking oil part. We shove it into this small dish container. We flatten. Don't forget part of the wick we curse cooker too. So that faster to pervade friends. Like this. Okay, don't have too much of this. Later going to save for hours. If more can also be days friends. It's so magical compared to you guys buying it. Bouncing one's friends. And if it's like this, these tools we made have become friends. This is really very practical. Economical wall Gellis. Already washed a lantern or candle. Just straight up. We light Too light it could use. Regular matches or matches like this can also. Let's just light it up like this. Okay guys, if you can see for yourself. The light is so bright. Bouncing once. It's not on yet 100, it's about 30%. To light it up, we put it down first. And if you have, our candles are already friends. It's really very steady. Can take advantage of waste from the rest of the frying pan, guys. Be more efficient without having to buy candles. Again, guys, if you don't believe me, just to test its brightness or caption, let's turn off the lights first. And you can see my friends. It's really very bright. I looked at it, guys. Apparently, we don't have to buy candles anymore. We can make our own. Capitalized from the bottle cap earlier. You can make a candle. Very steady, friends. When the oil runs out, you guys stay refill here. Guys, yes, so more efficient and practical. And the bouncers could use used cooking oil, so not wasted, guys. This I guarantee more thrifty than candles you buy at the stall's nearest friends. And the flame is the same. Yes, even brighter made our candle. And this is with no smoke at all. You can see for yourself without putting out smoke at all. So it's more environmentally friendly. Like this for the flame. Just the same bouncing friends. Anyway, you guys have to try this creative idea. Really very steady once.